After registering your bank account, as shown in the previous video, you're ready to reconcile your bank statement in the system. The first step is to go to the financial menu and select Bank Account. Then click the Reconcile button. Upload your bank statement by clicking Select OFX File. Make sure the file is in the OFX format, as this is required for the system to properly read the data. The system will display all the financial transactions from your statement. Compare these transactions with those already recorded in the system. If you find an expense on the statement that hasn't been registered, a field will appear beside it for you to enter the information. Click Register Income, fill in the required details, and save the expense. After reviewing and comparing all transactions, click the blue Register button to complete the reconciliation. By following these steps, you'll ensure your finances are accurately reconciled within the system.